morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, May 16, 2021, and it's 7 o'clock in the morning, guys. And it's such a beautiful, warm day. So much of greenery. I just love watching it, and it just feels so refreshed. But, guys, today is my vaccine day, the second dose, and I have an appointment at 11 o'clock in the morning today. So, I'm just a bit nervous, but, guys, I'll take you along. So guys, now I'll just have my morning drink, warm lemon water, which I just love having in the morning. It just detoxes your body and you feel so refreshed. This is my second glass of warm lemon water. I just love to take 2 glasses of warm lemon water. It just flushes out all the dirty toxins from your body and you feel so good. So guys, now I'm making ginger chai, and this is the very strong tea I like in morning. It just makes me awake fully. I just added 2 teaspoons of tea leaves, and this is the Taj Mahal tea, which gives a very nice flavor to my tea, and I just love having this tea in the morning. Guys, I'm going to enjoy my chai. Cute Arav is playing in the morning. He just had his milk around 6:30 in the morning, and now he's so playful. He's playing so nicely, and I just love watching him. Now Arav is 3 months old and he's so cute. So guys, I made some breakfast for myself before I go for my vaccine. I made scramble on toast, and this is the oats bread, wheat bread, and it looks very yummy. So I'm going to enjoy this before I go for my vaccine, guys. So I'll see you later.
Look at the camera.
Yeah, you gotta smile.
You're looking at the needle. Look at the camera. See? That's it.
Yeah.
It's done.
It's done.
You did it.
I didn't feel it at all. Yeah.
You did it. I know. I'm so gentle.
Thank you so much. Guys, it's been 24 hours, and when I had my vaccine around 11 o'clock yesterday, and when I came back in the afternoon around 1:30, I started feeling a lot of body pain, and I had a lot of headache, and my body was feeling so weak that I just went to sleep. My whole arm was sore arms. Till now I cannot lift up my arm. It's quite painful, and whole body was like, I had nice sweats, like I couldn't get up even to eat anything. I had no appetite, and I was feeling so miserable. It was like how you have a flu, that kind of symptoms. It was so terrible. I was just feeling, oh my god, and my body is feeling so weak. But I'm not a fan of taking any medication. I just feel that my body is strong. I'll just have some fluid, and I will just, take a good rest. I'll be fine. My body is strong. So I'm not a fan of taking any medication unless it's not necessary. My body is strong and fight it over without taking any medication unnecessary. And this was, this symptoms in the second dose is quite a bit. In the first dose, I did not get any symptoms except the sore arms, and in this I got a lot of symptoms, and it depends on everybody. It's not that you will get symptoms. Having these symptoms, it was not easy, but I went through it, and I feel yes, we are strong. So, guys, I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you if you're taking a vaccine. Is the vaccine just protects yourself and others? So, I think you should definitely take a vaccine. Is just, we all want to, be protected and protect others. I just feel, by taking these two vaccines, we are just a little bit safer. Of course, I will be still putting my mask. I will be still washing my hands, and social distancing we all have to do. But it's very important. The situation now everywhere is just that protect yourself, protect others, keep washing your hand, wear a mask, stay at home, don't go out if it's not necessary. And if vaccine is available in your country, please go for a vaccine. I hope this video is very helpful for you. I shared my experience and my symptoms with you all. So I'll see you soon with my next video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Keep yourself safe and protect others also. Bye guys, love you all.